Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the theme of your Discord as well as the in-app icon over here. Go to user settings, scroll down to appearance. You can only use the color themes to with Nitro, but I can preview it here. So these are the themes that you are given. Let's just exit preview here, and if you scroll down, there is this in-app icon. Just select the one that you want to preview. So select preview app icon, which is this one up here, and you can see the ones that they have. Pretty cute. I like this one a lot. I actually like this one or this one a lot, but that is pretty much how you can change your Discord theme as well as the in-app icon. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!